High-speed dynamic charging. Optimized chipset provides 15W charging on LG phones, 10W charging on Samsung, and 5W charging on iPhones. Use a 30W PD3. 0 charger for 15W charging on LG phones, quick charger 3. 0, PD3. 0 adapter, 9V, 2A, for 10W charging Samsung phones, 5W charging for iPhones, or a standard charger, 5V, 2A, for 5W charging. Compatible with LG G7, V30, V35, V40, Samsung Note 10 Pro, Note 10, S9, S9 Plus, Note 9, Note 8, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S10, S10 Plus, S10e. iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 11 11ths Pro, XS Max, XS, XR, by 8 8ths Plus and most Qi-enabled devices. Sleep-friendly LED indicator. Quietly uses LED lights to display charge status, allowing undisturbed sleep with no notification sounds. Case-friendly. Transmits power through most protective cases, rubber, plastic, TPU cases under 5 mm thickness only, magnetic and metal cases or credit cards will prevent charging. Safe to use. Qi-certified intelligent protection technology including over temperature, over voltage, and over current protection, foreign object detection and more. What you get: 15W wireless charging pad, 4-foot USB 2.0 A to C cable, welcome guide, dedicated customer service and an Amazon Basics 1-year standard limited warranty. Note: AC adapter not included. Top reviews from the United States. Uses the same plug as the phone. This may sound trivial, but the fact that this takes USB-C input was a huge selling point. This means that the pad can stay on the table for 90% of the phone's charging, but if the phone is near dead and still in use, there's a USB-C cable already on the table. Just unplug it from the pad and charge the phone while using it. All wireless charging pads should work this way. I added a 10 right-angle USB-C cable for added convenience while wired charging.